Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be installing some LED headlight bulbs in my dad's 2017 F150. Now, he received these LED bulbs for Christmas and from me, and he hasn't put them in yet. So I was like, you know what, being the great son I am, also because I wanted to make a YouTube video to grow my channel, I decided to, you know what, I'm gonna be a great son and I'm gonna put it in for him. That being said, we are working with these GTR lighting CSP mini LED headlight bulbs. Now these LED headlight bulbs, these guys, the GTR lighting, great company. They are reputable, and I'm super excited to put these in because these have to be substantially brighter, just because I've used GTR lighting headlight bulbs before and they work great. I also paid over $100 for these LED bulbs, so if they don't work, well, then yeah, that sucks. You can't really go wrong because the stock halogen bulbs in the F150s, if you don't have any of the cool lighting package stuff that Ford offers, then you know, it's trash. It's literally trash. It sucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that. What's up, dude? You wanna help me? I know, you wanna be a car person too, right? A car cat. Yeah, I know. Yeah, what do you think? They look cool, right? Yeah, thanks for your feedback, bud. So I just got my dad's truck in here. One of the ways that I've seen online in the forums to change the light bulbs and the one that's in the instruction, the you know, user's manual, is to you gotta remove the bumper. That way you can get access to it. But so I'm pretty sure if I get in here and remove that bolt there, that clip thing there, that bolt there, and this bolt here, I think maybe, is there something up here? No. I think I should be able to move this aside and access the top headlight, which is this one. This is the low beam right here. That's the one I'll be replacing. And I'm pretty sure that should work. I don't because I don't think I'll need to remove the bumper, but because my dad has bigger tires than what's stock on these, I think these are basically, well, they're 275/65, is that right? Let's see, where does it say? Yeah, 275/60 R20s, so they're bigger than the stock ones. So I thought maybe I'll give myself a little more leg room by pushing the engine up a little bit, pushing the entire front of the chassis up. Yeah, but I'm gonna try and do this one first because it's tight fit, because my Mustang's right here. So I'm gonna turn the wheel out this way so I can get more access to the panel. So these bolts, the bolts here are 7/32, and there's one up top here too. And you're gonna use a trim removal tool to get that part of the liner out, so then you can pull this back, get access to the top of the headlight. Oh, screw that. Then there's that one little trim tool or trim piece clip thing back there. So just for reference, that was what they look like right now. So now I got this the fender liner removed. I gotta get up all the way up. I gotta go all the way up to that dust cap up there, remove it so that I can get access to the headlight bulb up there. So as you can see, I got the headlight bulb out here. So that's it right there. That's the bulb right there. It came out of that top dust cap right up there. So now all I gotta do is unclip this and then replace it with the new bulb. That's all there is to it, really. So doing this comparison, this bulb is much bigger than that. I wonder if and the profile of it is bigger. I wonder if the dust cover will fit over this. It might not be a big deal though, honestly. All right, so I managed to get the first bulb in there. It's in there correctly. You got to remember that when you're putting in LED bulbs, and they're two-sided, then you have to remember that the chips have to be facing 30, 90. But the way that these are designed, specifically for this housing, that the three tabs that are on the side of the bulb are, one of them's bigger, and the only way you can get them in there is if you have the big side in the same location as the big like hole, so that it fits in there and then it locks in, and that's the only way it can go in, so you don't really have to adjust it, because the kit comes with a like an Allen wrench where you'd be able to turn the bulb, but you don't really need that for this. And here we finally got the everything all hooked up with the new LED bulb in there. It's dirty. Basically, it's got a good beam pattern, I can already tell. I haven't even like started to align it, or it's not even dark yet. So that was the factory, kind of the yellowish, very yellowish hue, right? And then if we go over to this side, this is more like daytime right here. Wow, that's so nice. All right, so now I have to just put the clip back in there. Yeah, so gotta just put the clip back in, gotta put all the bolts back on, and we're gonna move on to the other side. Basically the same thing, so I'll just show you guys the after product. One thing I do have to mention though is that while you don't have to adjust it, you can't just plug this in, just straight up be like, whoop, put that in, plug it up to the OEM harness. It comes with a little, it may be a mini driver of some sort, maybe, or an adapter. I'm not quite sure, but it won't run unless you have this part right here plugged into here, and this part will connect to the OEM harness. All right, so I got that one in. I also got that one in. Wow, they're very bright. They're very whitish, so I'm very excited to see how this looks at nighttime. I still got to go on the nighttime drive, and also got to align the headlights so that we're not, you know, blinding anyone, because bright is all good and all that, but you want it so that you don't, well, first off, safety, right? Because you don't want to blind other people. But just because it's bright doesn't mean the beam pattern, right? You won't, it doesn't mean you will be able to see better. You want it to make sure you can see the road ahead of you, and not like the branches of the trees and stuff. I don't know what I was trying to go with. I was thinking maybe I could say like the flags on the flagpoles, but that doesn't really make sense, right? I don't know. You're not trying to see into other people's cars, really. That's, well, maybe you do. I don't know, but I don't, so. I'm pretty sure my dad doesn't either. I'm pretty sure. Check it out, guys. Final product. Wow. Isn't that great? Nice. Alright guys, that is it for today's video with the GTR LED headlights in. My dad likes how it looks. It's so much brighter, and it's a Christmas gift that he didn't have to install himself. In the future, definitely will be filming his, he also received a 2.5-inch mammoth leveling kit, which we will record and upload. But in the meantime, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment what you thought about the video. I read every single comment, and I try to respond to all of them as best as I can. And I really appreciate all of my subscribers. I can't thank you so much. Really, I'm really on the grind right now. You know, I got school going on, and I'm trying to do this YouTube thing, and you know, it's hectic, right? So once again, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.